pieces. This channel is dedicated of teaching natural things that have no side effects. Therefore, subscribe and comment, like the video, and give a share. Welcome back to my channel. This is Plant Lifestyles. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm coming to talk about this Prekese, its physical benefits, how to use this Prekese to heal a lot of diseases. I did a video about the spiritual benefits. I'll speak about it in another video because I don't want the video to be very long. People are asking a lot of questions about it. I will answer their questions in another video. Therefore, subscribe to the channel so that I get to listen to what I'm speaking about, people's question about this Prekese. Yes, in fact, this Prekese is very beneficial. It has spiritual use and physical use. It's very powerful plant that we have been using from ages. Our grandparents, our great-grandparents have been using it to treat a lot of illness. They have been using it for a lot of spiritual powers, and then also protections, and then physical health or health benefits. Yes, someone asked, what is the health benefit of Prekese? In fact, if you are someone who doctor has diagnosed and given you the news that you are someone who is suffering from blood pressure and high sugar level, you shouldn't panic, because this one is very powerful to lower your blood pressure, and also increase the level of your metabolism rate by decreasing your sugar level. We are going to use this Prekese. There are some people who their body is not able to utilize the sugar very well. The sugar is also increasing in their body and also bringing a lot of illness. Your sugar level can destroy a lot of organs in your body. It's very dangerous when you have a sugar level rising about the normal level. Therefore, when your sugar level is very low, it's somewhere not good, but not as compared to the higher level. Because once the sugar level is very high, that is something we call exothermic reaction will take place. That is exothermic. The cells are in sugar. Therefore, it damages the cells very easy. Therefore, when your sugar level is very high, it's very bad, and it is not all that good. It shouldn't be entertained as compared to the low one. So you can use this Prekese to fight against your high blood pressure and then your high sugar level. Yes, I'm hitting on the high sugar level because that destroys a lot of organs in your body. High sugar level can destroy your kidney. High sugar level can destroy your spinal cord. High sugar level can destroy your eyes. High sugar level can destroy your heart. High sugar level can destroy your pancreas. High sugar level can destroy a lot of important organs in the body. Therefore, get Prekese, Gabanu, Prekese. We are going to treat your sugar level. We are not going to cure, because once the sugar level is what your pancreas, that and then your liver, that makes sure your sugar level is always regulated. Once there is problem, it is a lot of that is, you have a lot of distance to go, a far way to go to cure it. Even about 90% are not curable. But to maintain your sugar level and to also maintain your health, you are going to need use this one. That is the Prekese to treat and manage your sugar level. Yes. Mostly people take capsules made from this Prekese to maintain their sugar level. But to get the full benefit and the full use, we are going to prepare a tea and put in our fridge and start consuming it for a time to reduce our blood sugar level. We are going to get this and then cut it into pieces. This channel is dedicated of teaching natural things that have no side effects. Therefore, subscribe and comment, like the video, and give a share like share the link or give the link to people to also watch. If you get this Prekese, you are going to cut it into pieces. You are going to make a decoction. Get enough. This one is very small. Please get enough. Get a big cooking pot. You are going to cut it into pieces and also add a lot of water to it. You are going to boil it. You are going to leave it till it cools for the next day, so that the color of the water changes. All the nutrients are absorbed or will be absorbed into the water. When the nutrient is being absorbed, this is what we are going to do. We are going to take it as a tea. Listen, we are going to take it as a tea. We are not going to just drink it bit by bit. We are going to take it as a tea, as you are drinking a cup of tea. Yes, because this Prekese doesn't have side effects that will kill you or is overdose or what. It's food. That's why it is being you can take it like you are taking normal fruit juice drink, because this one it contains that is the elements that make you feel better. Like when we are taking watermelon juice, we can't say you are overdosing the watermelon, but it's not too much of everything is bad. You can't drink 13 cups or 20 cups of it. It will kill you. But 1 cup is enough. You can make a tea and take it early in the morning. Once you get your tea, like make a warm water, or you warm it a bit with your cooking pot on your fire, and then you warm it, you take it. You can add a little bit milk, or you can add milk to it. You can add honey to it. Don't add sugar. Don't add sugar, because that sugar is not needed by. But honey, don't add a lot of honey. Honey itself is what a kind of medicine that when it's added to the Prekese, it is going to serve as a catalyst to make it work better. You add some honey to it. You add some milk to give a taste, and then you take it. You can take it with bread. It's not bitter. It's very sweet. Like it's very nice. Not like sugary or what, but it's very nice. You can take it to boost your immune system and also cure some illness apart from the sugar level raising to bringing it down. It can cure a lot of sicknesses in addition to your lowering of your sugar level. Yes, please let this Prekese be your friend. In fact, me, for instance, when I'm cooking, when I'm doing soup, when I'm making soup or what, I just cut it and put it in the soup. In Ghana here, I like my villagers, because when we are preparing food, we are preparing soup, palm nut soup, menu of the soup. When we are preparing, we just cut the Prekese and put it in. That is why we the villagers, we live long. That is our secret. People don't know. We live long because diseases are being cured naturally with our food that we eat. We eat our food as medicine, so that we don't take medicine as our food. Listen carefully. Eat your food as medicine to avoid taking medicine as your food. So Prekese should be part of your food. When you come to my home, you see that Prekese will be in the food, garlic will be in the food, and then you see the food is already set as a medicine on its own. So once you take it, it is going to work in your system, so that you don't take any extra medicine. In fact, it works very well for all people, all ages, all ranges of ages, and then you are going to be shocked that this is what is working in your life. Please let this Prekese be your guide to heal your heart problems, your sugar level. In fact, sugar level is killing a lot of people. High blood pressure is killing a lot of people, and I don't like it that way. I already want to teach naturally for people to get natural things, avoid a lot of sugar, avoid a lot of night eating at night. The main reason people are getting a lot of blood that is sugar level raising above its natural way, or is eating at night and then drinking a lot of sugary food at night, sugary drink at night. It won't help our life. It won't help our health. Let's stay safe and live longer. In fact, I like my subscribers and I like my viewers. That is why I always give things out free. Some people WhatsApp me I get time to talk with them. They need herbs, I just give them herbs to cure some things, some diseases, some illness that I've not mentioned on this channel. Even my videos that I've not released, when some people add about the herbs, and that is in a video to upload, I don't tell them to wait. I just give them the guideline to do it before I even upload the video. Yes, please cure your diseases with this Prekese. In fact, it purifies your blood too. This Prekese purifies your blood. It gives you a lot of strength even throughout the day. When you take it in the morning, it is going to make you active and strong to do any work you want to do. And then it is going to give you boosting of your immune system. In fact, this plant, search for it wherever it is. I saw them here. If you want some all over the world, let me know. I'll ship to you, and then you use it for your benefit. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Keep watching Plant Lifestyles. Keep subscribing. Keep sharing. Yeah, it's very difficult to start a channel, but once it grows, it's very easy to also give a lot of tips. Please help me build the channel, and you will benefit from whatever I upload. Thank you for watching, and thank you for sharing. See you in the next video.